2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.